In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dispersion text effect in Canva. First, we're going to dive right into Canva. If you haven't already, open up Canva in your browser. Once you've got Canva open, you'll want to select any template that appeals to you. Don't worry too much about the template's design or theme because we'll be customizing it significantly. Now, click on the text option in the Canva editor. After the text options have appeared, go ahead and click on Add a Heading. This will insert a new text box into your template. Type in any text that you'd like to use for your dispersion effect. It could be as simple as your name or any word that you want to add that particular stylish flair to. Once you've typed in your text, you'll want to make it prominent by enlarging it. Simply drag the corners of the text box to adjust its size. The next step is to drag and position your enlarged text in the center or wherever you desire within your design. It's all up to your personal preference. Now, it's time to add some visual elements that will help in creating that unique effect. Click on the Elements tab in Canva's sidebar and type in Black Gradient in the search bar. You'll see a lot of options pop up. Click on See All to explore all the available graphics and select any black gradient graphic that you feel will enhance your text. After selecting your gradient graphic, you'll want to resize it to fit over your text properly. This is crucial because it will later become part of the dispersion. Use the Flip tool and select Flip Horizontal to mirror the gradient as per your requirement. Drag and align the gradient precisely with your text. The next thing to do is to click on Apps from the toolbar. Type Slice in the search bar and click on the Slice application. Inside, select the feature labeled Minced and hit Save. This will process your design with the dispersion effect. Finally, it's time to click on the Share button and then select Download. Make sure to download your image in the highest quality possible. Once you've downloaded the design, head back to Canva and delete any previous components to clean up your workspace. Upload the new image you've just downloaded back into Canva. After uploading, you'll want to crop any excess from the image to ensure it fits perfectly into your new design. Use the draggable dots on the edges to resize it, ensuring it's just the right fit. You can then reposition this image exactly where you need it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now have created a stunning dispersion text effect in Canva, soon ready to be used in